I'm Phil Davis from GoFlo Screens. As soon as you put fine screens onto an intake, you really have to consider debris tolerance and how you're going to handle all that debris as well, because fine screens capture a lot more debris, and we're really keen to sort of partner with you in that process to really understand your intake and design an optimised solution. So if you'd like to come inside, I'm happy to take you through the design process. Sites where we put these in, they've had some sort of terrible screening systems before that have spent 50% of their time being clogged up, and then as soon as they put in the GoFlo system, they're just 100% clean all the time, and their energy production just goes through the roof. So it's obviously a great result for the customer. The first stage is we'll put together a very quick 3D model with the screen in and do a sort of initial budget pricing and send that back. We actually come out and visit the site then, just check or either measure up or check all the measurements are correct, really understand how the water flows in and out the site, so we can understand how debris has got to be flushed away and things.
So having that quality system in place is something that's really good for the customer to know, particularly some of our customers in the water industry, for example. You're kind of dealing with a company that's worked in all aspects of construction. Engineers there that not only understand how to deliver a product such as an intake screen, they've also got experience in delivering all the other aspects of that project.
And we're at Crestbrook Mill, which is near Buxton in the Peak District. Because it automatically cleans, you see the result in the energy production from the hydro turbine. It's generally always at the maximum that it could be at for the water flow that's in the river. The screens are fully assembled in the workshop and we test them. So they come to site all ready to run, so they're just lifted in, connected up, and then they'll just work.
One of the reasons we went for this screen was because their alternatives we felt were more likely to get clogged up and need downtime to maintain them.
We're happy to get involved at the design stage. We'll build it, we'll come and help you install it, and then we'll help you operate it into the future. We're really keen to partner with our customers to make sure they get a good intake system that works into the long term.